We have not seen that thing in a while, but man, it is a good treat to see out here. Oh, it looks so good, sounds good, drives good. It's got 427 in it, tuned by KSR Performance. They lowered that thing down, got the body completely dialed in. The thing was right, that's for sure. He's got to get those tires hot. Should I go? Let me go flick him the green light. I think he's just getting warmed up still. Oh, he just dropped a wrench. A wrench just came out. It's right in the front. See if we can. I don't want to sneak out there, but I don't think it's in the pathway of where he's traveling, but definitely saw a wrench fall out of the car. Somebody tell Jack Stan his toolbox is missing one.